Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the system requirements to go with Python. The first thing you need to have computer, laptop, or anything you have. After that you need to download one software, Python software, and to download this go to Google and after that in Google type Python download and then you will navigate to this page and just click on Python 3.7.1 and it will navigate to Python websites, and here go to downloads, right click on it, and then there where is given that download the latest version for Windows. Right now just you need to be looking for Python with a different OS. Yes, which one you want. If you want download for Windows, then click on Windows. If you wanna download for Linux or Unix, then click here and download from here. That's because I'm using my Windows, that's why I'm going to click on Windows. And here for Windows they are given different 32 bits, 64 bits, which one you want download, right? That's why my system is 64 bit, so I will download this executable installer. So right click on it and it will download the Python installer file, or this is software that you need to download on this site. And after completion of your download just click on it to install. And here the first thing you need to remember is that don't forget to right click on add Python 3.7 to path, then install now. It will take some more time to install your Python software, and then after installation that you need to check whether your Python software is installed or not to the command prompt. So I'm going to show the entire process to follow before going to code in Python programming. Yeah, so it's installing now. It will take some more time. And finally the setup or installation of your Python software is successfully completed. It is showing this pop-up that saying setup was successful, so close it. Now the thing that you want to do is you need to know whether your Python software is installed on your system or not. To do that just type command prompt cmd, and in cmd you need to check whether your Python programming is installed or not. Right now type here Python. Right, yes, it is showing Python 3.7.2. Whereas if your Python means your software is not installed, then it won't show this. Just now what I want to do is from Python I need to exit, so this is the command to exit from the Python. Now I'm in my path. Right, so if you wanna check the version of Python, just type Python / and version. Right, it will show Python 3.2.7.2. okay, now your Python system, or we call software, is installed on your system. So you can code in two different ways, using command prompt and using IDE. Right now that I'm going to show what is the IDE, where it installed, and how to open it. Okay, so if I close it, typing exit. Now I commit, and I close my command prompt. Now I will see where my Python IDE is installed. Right, this is Python IDE, so I will open this and I will say the things that you want to do in this Python. So there are different ways to code in Python programming. So now this is your IDE to code in Python. So you can code here whatever you want, right? Just yeah, in this video, just I'm going to write only one statement, that is print hello, right? Now it will print, oh sorry, yeah, I just want to here just this is mistake. mm, Print, give in parentheses, and type here hello all, right? Then print, yeah, it's printed hello all. If you print your name, just type print and give here single quotation and type hey Peter, right? Then type, did you mean, oh yeah, I just forgot, you need to give, to print something, just you need to give parenthesis. So don't forget to give parenthesis. And if you wanna use this IDE, thus you need to write code here and you need to save your file, right? Create new file. Just you need to create here whatever code you need to write here, and let's suppose I'm giving 10, a equal 10 and b equal to 23. Now I need to print a plus b, right? Then what I will do is I need to save this file, save as, to save as, and then give your file name python1 dot py, right? Yeah, Python file. Then it will automatically save in python.py. You don't need to type here, just give this py and you just save it in desktop. Yes, now come to desktop, close it, and this is your Python, right? Yeah, so that. Okay, now your task is to work in either in IDE or in command prompt. Just I will show IDE here, but I will follow another tool called, I mean the module that we can use in Python notebook, right? Yeah, to code in IDE, because I will show how IDE works. This is Python IDE. So here you will type your program, right? So I'm giving equal 20 and I'm saying print a, right? Then it will print 20 and oh sorry, print 20 plus 30, it's giving 50. It means it's very easy to code in Python. It will directly operate your perform your operation whatever you are giving, right? So if you give 30 plus 50, 80, right? 50 minus 20, 30. Yeah, it's giving. So this is what we call, how we call Python is so easy to learn, right? If not basic, then you get to know in the advanced. This one way of doing Python programming, and after writing your code, thus you need to save the file in the file name dot Python. It will take automatically dot Python because here it's giving Python file, so you don't save, and you just save your in your folder. And I'm saving in desktop file name, right? And then open from here, or what you do is you come to here, file name, yeah, here something mistake, that's why it's not 20. Just create new file, right? Then type here equal 20, equal to 30, print a plus b. Then save this file as a file name 1 and save on desktop. Now run Python shell, run. Just you need to run your module. Yeah, it's giving 50 as an answer, right? So this is the way to code here. And if you type some message, print hello, and save it. And then F5, yeah, after entering F5, then it is giving 50 as a plus b value and hello message, because we write code for 20 plus 30, 50, and hello message. It is giving here 50 and hello message as output. So this is one way of doing code in Python programming, but we are going to follow in another way. So to follow that way, just you need to open command prompt cmd, and here just type jupyter notebook. Sorry, because we didn't install your notebook, that's why you need to install notebook. To install your notebook, type pip install notebook, then it will install your notebook, right? It will take some more time to install notebook, collecting notebooks, and it will take time to install it. After completion of installation, then we need to follow the way that I am following here, and it's very easy, very easy to code in the notebook, because you don't need to create, and you don't need to open your IDE to code it into Python. So if you familiar with this notebook, then you'll never follow those command prompt and IDE. It will take some more time. Yeah, it's installing on your device or on your system. Then after installation, it has various module, that's why it's taking more time to download. Yeah, it's downloading. See how many files it is downloading. It will download some more files, and it will install on a system. So these are the things, I mean system requirements that you need to download on your system before going to code in Python. If you're done with these steps, then you are able to code in Python programming. If you have any queries, or if you are getting some errors while downloading, while installing on your system, then comment below. I will reply with solutions. it will take time. Just wait for a while. Yes, come on Python, we don't have time. Yes, it is installing Jupyter notebook. So to install notebook, type pip, go to command prompt and directly type pip install notebook. Then it will download these many files, and it still is running. So it will take some more time to complete download or installation or setup. So after that, after completion, we'll get into this notebook, how it looks we'll see, and in the next video we'll talk about how to code into Python. And guys, if you are the first time in my YouTube channel, then don't, please, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel, right? Yeah, we're done with installation of notebook. Now type directly notebook. Yeah, it won't open if you type directly notebook. Just type Jupyter notebook, then it will navigate you to the notebook, and then we'll code in notebook, right? Yeah, it's giving message. And sorry, I think it's giving some errors here. To access the notebook, open this file in the browser. Oh, sorry, that's I'm gonna quit this for now, and I will rerun it, command prompt, and I will type Jupyter notebook. Yes, I'll type it, and we'll try to open Jupyter notebook. Yeah, it will take some time. Yes, this is always opening this. Now what I will do is this, and type HTML, right, in all files, save in desktop, and then we'll, yeah, now I'll try to open in browser. If it's not open, then we'll see for another alternative. What's open with? Open with Chrome. Yes, we are trying to open the notepad, but it's opening Jupyter notebook. Click here to go to Jupyter, click on it, and it will navigate to Jupyter, right? Then you are navigating through this. Now you will save your files somewhere else. If you wanna save in contacts, then here just go to new, create file, your file name, right? You want to create Python file, that's why create Python, and then you will see the notebook, how it looks, right? Now, yeah, this is notebook where you will code in Python. Let's suppose we are going to print hello all, right? Then here run, and you will get output as hello.